Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. I'm posting this video after a good break because I came home due to corona from Pune to Ranchi. Okay, so let's see what happened today and then we'll see what can happen tomorrow. If you see, the good reversal came again. So this was a good support, and yesterday friends I said if market will close around 650 or above 650, precisely I said this level. I said if the market closes above 21,650, then we are going to see more upside. So view came true. So for tomorrow this will be a good resistance. If market opens above 22,200 around these levels, if it opens around these levels 200, and if it sustains above this, then we might see these levels as well, 430 or around that, which will act as a good resistance again because it is the recent high. If it breaks that as well in coming days, then we might see fresh upside towards 23,000, because if you see here, the market went up and then a retracement, then a pullback. So the pullback will be a breakout above 22,400 levels. If it sustains above this level, then it will show 23,000 again, and the next breakout is expected to come above these levels. If the market, say for example, if it goes around these levels and if it sustains here as well, then a fresh upside can not be ruled out. But see here, if you see, this was a higher high if you compare from here, but if you take this as one of the high, then it will be lower high. So first hurdle will be 22,400 itself. So keeping in that in your mind, plan your trades. Let's see another index. So traders, if you see, yesterday it formed a good pin bar kind of candle, and today it stayed above our resistance area, which was 230 to 240, and then it showed a pullback. So this view have become true halfway. Now if you see it clearly, it has given a breakout. See, this was the resistance, and a close above that suggests that it has given a breakout. So 11,450, 11,530, 40 as well can show, and the next resistance area would be 11,540 to 600, because if you see in larger time frame, if you see here, it is a gap area. So if this level, if this level doesn't get broken powerfully, then it will act as a good resistance, and then we might see some correction as well. Because if you see the market, it is moving one way, right? If you see from the March low, it is moving up, it is making higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. See here, this low, next low, higher low, next low, higher low. Now another higher high is possible as well, but somewhere it needs to stop for a while and then it will move further upside. So keep that in mind traders, it will help you. Let's see some more stocks. First let's check Reliance. Yes, this stock has lot of news as well in the market, so you need to factor those information in your trades separately. This will be purely technical analysis. Okay, so if you see, yesterday it formed a hammer kind of candle and then a big green candle, so it shows the retracement it was showing after a good upside in a single day is somewhere like it has completed. So now if this stock moves above this trend line, then it will show a fresh upside on like it might show 2160 as well. What I mean to say is it might show these levels as well, 2160, and if it sustains above that, then we might see these levels as well, 80 or 2200 as well. So it depends how it will behave around these levels. Okay, so let's check another stock, HDFC Bank. If you see here, a good pattern can be seen here. See here, it formed a good reversal pattern here after the correction and it showed some pullback. Now it, after this pullback, it created some what do you call, retracement, and then today it has formed a bullish engulfing kind of pattern. So if it trades above 1060 again, above this line, then it might show fresh upside towards 1100 again. So keep that in mind, traders. The strong level will be 1120, which it has respected for quite a long time. Here also see, it broke down only once and then it started closing above 1020, so that becomes a good support area. If it doesn't break this, then it will surely move upward. Let's check some more stocks. SBI beaten down heavily from last high. You can see here it moved like anything. It gave a breakout, right? It gave a breakout above this level and then it came down all the way to this support area. This is where it consolidated for some days, right? So this becomes a good support area. Now it is forming an inside bar. So if it trades simply above 195, then you can go long for 198 or maybe these levels 199 as well. Okay, let's check some more stocks. HDFC, see, such a nice pattern. So if you see here, a good upside, retracement, and then a pullback. So this pullback will be stronger only above 1825. If it trades above this, then we might see 1850 and 1880 as well. So it depends how it will react around these levels. See here, it's a clear breakout. So if it sustains above 1820, then it will show a good upside on, like it might show up these levels and maybe these levels as well. So you can keep both in your mind, traders. Simple funda, it should trade above 1820, then you can go long for 1850, 1860 and 1880 as well. The support will be around 1790 or 1800. That will become a good support because it has respected that level for some time, and if it trades above 1820, then it will be respected and it can show good upside. So thanks for watching, friends. If you like my views, then do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.